Hello there, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I prep my hair for a protective style. As you can see by the title, I am starting with very dirty hair. I just took down the 4 cornrows that I did like 2 days ago, and there's a little bitty teeny weeny bit of definition in my hair, but I'm not really caring about that today. My hair is dirty and I need to put it back in a protective style, so I want to prep it. First of all, I'm gonna drench my hair in water, and I'm not using my misty spray bottle today because I need my hair to get properly wet. I'm not trying to mist, I'm trying to drench. All right, so I'm going to be using this spray bottle to pour water into my hair, because the first step is I want to cleanse my hair, and I'm going to be using my Megagrowth stimulating shampoo. I actually have a lot of shampoo options to choose from, actually just 3, but I'm choosing this shampoo because it has menthol, and dare I say it is a sulfate shampoo. Yep, it contains sodium lauryl sulfate, and I'm not ashamed of that. Yeah, I use a sulfate shampoo sometimes, okay? Anyway, I chose this because I'm trying to hit reset on my hair. Like, I ain't trying to retain nothing. If this strips out my hair, which it actually doesn't, I wouldn't mind, because I want to wash everything off. This is a clean slate I'm trying to achieve, because I want my hair and scalp to be super clean for this protective style. Because as I'm putting it in a protective style like this, it's gonna be like that for the next like 4 to 6 weeks. So I won't be washing my hair for the next 4 to 6 weeks. So you get, I'm gonna need to make sure that my scalp is properly clean for this. All right, and I am trusting my Megagrowth shampoo to do that for me. Despite being a sulfate shampoo, it's not even stripping my hair like at all. It's even defining my curls. Like, what? Like I said before, my hair is super dirty, so I'm probably going to repeat this process in the shower. Like, when I go to the shower to rinse this out, I'm going to put in a fresh batch of shampoo and wash my hair again, then rinse that out again until like I feel like my hair is properly clean. Another thing I really love about this shampoo is the fact that it has menthol in it. The menthol really helps to soothe the scalp and relieve itchiness, and I love it. I like to leave the shampoo in a bit to properly experience that tingly feeling that the menthol gives my scalp. I really love it. I washed my hair one more time in the shower before rinsing out the shampoo, and I used this black cotton t-shirt from my laundry to dry my hair. My scalp is now super clean and flake free, and my hair is clean as well. As you can see, the shampoo really did its work. Now it is time to deep condition my hair, and I will be using my Megagrowth anti-breakage deep conditioner. I love the conditioner, love the smell, love everything about it, and I'm gonna take a little bit because I don't like to be heavy-handed with this product. And quite frankly, there is no need to be heavy-handed because it has so much slip, guys. Like, if you haven't tried this deep conditioner before, then what are you waiting for, sis? Hop on this. Anyway, so I'm going to apply this deep conditioner to every single strand of my hair. I divided my hair into 2 sections to make application easy for me because I have really thick hair. So don't let that hairline fool you. I have thick hair. After applying deep conditioner, most people would like to detangle their hair at this point, but not me. I don't really like to detangle my hair too many times during this wash day process. So what I do is I cover my head with my shower cap, and then I wrap that up with my towel, and I wait for about 30 to 45 minutes. So I ended up leaving it in for over an hour, but it's alright, you understand, you get the gist. Anyway, I prefer to detangle when the deep conditioner has done its work. That way it is easier for me to go through my hair with a detangling brush. And to make it even easier for me, I'm going to be detangling my hair in small sections because I'm trying to not lose any hair here. Plus, my detangling brush is pretty tiny, so I'm gonna have to be really gentle with my hair, and I gotta detangle in small sections. Which, if you think about it, are actually best practices for detangling 4C hair. You have to make sure that you are really gentle with your hair, and you also have to make sure that you are detangling in small sections. So this brush is actually forcing me to do the right thing, you know? Also, when you detangle your hair, it shifts most of the products from the strands of your hair down to the ends. So if you detangle your hair before you let the deep conditioner work, most of your deep conditioner would be at your ends and not throughout the entire strands of your hair. So that is another reason I like to detangle my hair after I have allowed the deep conditioner to work. I've rinsed the deep conditioner out now, and I've taken another t-shirt from my laundry to dry my hair. I never dry my hair with a towel, ever. And I don't have money for a microfiber towel, so I just use an old t-shirt. I'm about to moisturize my hair, so I don't need water dripping down from my hair. That's why I'm using this t-shirt to dry my hair as much as possible before applying my leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going in with my all-time fave, which is the Megagrowth leave-in strengthener. That's the leave-in conditioner that I always use. I mean, I'm about to put my hair in a protective style, so I'm gonna have to give it all the moisture I possibly can, and there is no other product I would trust with this job than Megagrowth. Like, no other product gives me as much slip and as much moisture as this one. To seal in that moisture, I'm using my Megagrowth growth oil, and I'm going to apply that right over the leave-in conditioner to make sure that all that moisture is sealed. Then using a small black rubber band, I'm going to band the root of that section, and the reason I'm doing this is so that the roots of the hair can also stretch properly as well. I'm going to make sure it's nice and secure, but I'm also going to make sure it's not too tight that it's giving me a headache. When that's done, I'm going to braid that section, and I'll make sure I don't braid to the very tip. When I get to the end of the braid, I'm going to just twirl it to secure it. So that's pretty much it, and I'm going to repeat that process for the rest of my head. And boom, I'm done. And you know, it's not really cute. I look like the itsy bitsy spider that climbed up the water spout, but you know, my hair, this is going to make sure that my hair stretches very well. And for my scalp, I'm doing a little bit of an oil mix. I'm taking my Megagrowth oil and I'm pouring a little bit of it into my applicator bottle. Then I'm going to follow up with my tea tree oil, my Thursday plantation tea tree oil. I wanted to add just a little bit of it, and then I realized there was only a little that was left, so I just emptied the bottle into the oil mix. The main reason I'm adding tea tree oil to my regular scalp oil is because tea tree oil has scalp soothing properties. It helps to soothe dry and itchy scalp, and it also has antifungal, antibacterial, and anti-dandruff properties. I very much intend to keep this protective style for at least a month and a half. So I'm going to need that tea tree oil in my oil mix to keep my scalp in check, to keep my scalp from being itchy and irritated during the period that I have my protective style in. I left the braids in for about 2 days so that my hair could properly dry, and I know I'm still wearing the same shirt, but that's just my house shirt. I wear it every single day. Just don't judge me, okay? Now this is me struggling with the rubber band that I used to tighten the roots of my hair. It was such a struggle. But after toils and toils, I finally overcame, and I decided to just remove all the rubber bands at once first so that they will not frustrate me later. Then after removing all the rubber bands, I started to unravel my hair, and I realized that my hair wasn't even totally dry yet. after 2 days. I don't know. My own hair porosity, my own low porosity hair is on another level. I still got a little bit of a stretch though, even though my hair was still kind of damp, but it's all right. The roots of my hair stretched out very well, and my hair itself was, it was pretty stretched. It was all right. So this is basically how I prepare my hair for a protective style. I make sure that I wash it thoroughly. I give it all the moisture that it can possibly get from my deep conditioner and my leave-in conditioner, and of course my oil, and then I stretch it out without using heat. Emphasis on without using heat. So that is the end of this video, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.